Hello guys, and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to today's episode where we're going to be analyzing some of my favorite US equities going into this brand new trading week. As we all know, the markets have been an absolute bloodbath for the prior 3 weeks, with the Nasdaq 100 dropping an incredible 7.5% just last week alone. In fact, the Nasdaq 100 is now down 14% in correction territory as we kick off 2022. Now, over on my streaming service, in my Telegram group chat where I have all of my Signal clients, I have just sent out a message saying that right now the US stock market is on sale. You know, just like when you go to your favorite shopping center or your shopping mall and you see in the window of some of your favorite brands like Nike, Ralph Lauren, Adidas, whatever they may be, you see in the window it will say sale 50%. Well, right now the US stock market has a sale on, and some of my favorite stocks out there currently are selling with a sale of anywhere between 10 to 30, 40, 50% discounts, and I am a buyer. So this morning, when the US market opens, of course, I am going to be purchasing some of my favorite stocks out there, and I'm going to use this video to kind of show you which stocks I am looking at. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to share my entry strategy and exit strategy. When I say that, I mean my my entry points, my take profits, my stop losses, etc., because you will have to go up and sign up for our streaming service to gain access to our Telegram Signal chat as well, of course. But before I start today's video, I just want to say a massive thank you, because my YouTube channel just hit a huge milestone. I've just hit 16,000 subscribers, and to celebrate this occasion, over on my streaming website, we're going to have a sale of 25% if you enter in the discount code 16,000. So where it says the discount code, if you just put 16,000 in digits, that will then give you a 25% discount, bringing the joining fee from $399 all the way down to $299. So I hope to see you in the Daily Market Movement team chat very, very soon. But let's start today's video. So let's start with Nvidia. Now, Nvidia is one of my favorite stocks out there. And I just forgot to mention during the intro of this video that buying stocks at this moment in time is risky. I fully appreciate that. But what I would advise is that you buy high quality stocks. You know, many stocks out there are still not earning profits, and they have ridiculously high valuations, excess of 100 billion, some of them, and it's just incredible to see, really. But what you want to do, you want to be finding these stocks that have strong and profitable balance sheets, and are selling a fantastic service or a product that is tangible, and that something that customers can feel and touch. And these 3 stocks that I'm about to show you have they tick all of the boxes with regards to what I've just said. So Nvidia, for those who don't know, it's a chip stock. It's a semiconductor, and it's probably my favorite chip stock out there. It's the largest chip stock in the world. Nvidia is known for gaming chips. So some of the top gaming PCs out there at this moment in time have a Nvidia chip in. But as well as that, we have the electric vehicle industry booming at this moment in time. We have the likes of NIO, Mercedes, XPeng. They've all got deals going on with Nvidia. And of course, with that industry expected to carry on growing over the next couple of decades, Nvidia is in prime position to benefit from that. And then third of all, we have the metaverse. Nvidia, of course, is going to be powering the metaverse with its gaming chips, and it's just going to be incredible. And my forecast for this company is very, very high. So from a technical perspective at this moment in time, Nvidia looks beautiful. We're now trading just above the 200-day EMA. We actually touched it briefly during Friday's trading session when we had that 2.8% sell-off in the Nasdaq 100. As well as that, we have now just gone and closed this gap that we created back in mid-October 2020. So now that we've closed that gap, we're touching the 200-day EMA. This offers a fantastic buying opportunity. But last but not least, we also have the RSI that has just approached oversold territory. Now, the RSI reading is 29.29. Anything below 30, of course, is considered to be oversold. And, at this moment in time, Nvidia is now considered to be oversold. So for those 3 prime reasons, I am now a buyer of Nvidia. Of course, I can't share my take profit and stop losses with you. You will have to go and sign up to my streaming service to gain access to the private Telegram Signal chat to see what they are. But those for 3 reasons being that we've now closed the gap, we're now touching the 200-day EMA, and we are considered to be oversold are the three reasons as to why I am a buyer of Nvidia. And of course, the fundamentals. The fundamentals that I just explained a few moments ago are incredibly bullish for this stock. Second of all, AMD. You could argue maybe Nvidia's rival. I don't really see Nvidia as having much of a rival because AMD only really focus on gaming chips. Of course, from that industry, you could argue that AMD are Nvidia's rival. But with the metaverse, with the gaming industry booming at this moment in time, I think AMD is a fantastic buy. Now, AMD is off its highs, just like Nvidia. Nvidia is 32% off its highs. AMD is a little bit less, down 27.74%. That being said, we're also approaching that 200-day EMA, and this should act as a support for this stock. As well as that, look at the RSI. The RSI isn't yet considered to be oversold, but we're pretty much there with a reading of 33. Don't forget, anything under 30 is considered to be oversold, and you typically do see a bounce. So what do I expect for AMD? Well, I do expect that we will probably drop a little bit lower, maybe down to 115. So we do make connection with that 200-day EMA, but that's an area where I anticipate that buyers will step back in and buy this stock. This stock is fantastic. It's making great profits. Its balance sheet is strong, and also fundamentally, it is very, very strong as well. So I like this stock. I think it offers a fantastic buying opportunity. And as I just showed you, it now currently sells at 27% discount. So I'm a buyer. And last but not least, Microsoft. We all know what this company is. It's the second largest company in the world. It has a market cap of over $2 trillion, and it's 15% off its all-time high. So to me, it's selling with a 15% discount. It's got a sale out there, and I'm a buyer. Just like AMD and Nvidia, it's now approaching its 200-day EMA after that massive sell-off that occurred in the stock market on Friday. As well as that, the RSI has now just hit oversold territory. We have a reading of 30.03. So we're pretty much oversold here for Microsoft. And when we're in this high interest rate hiking environment, the large cap tech stocks, US tech stocks especially, are the stocks that you want to own. And Microsoft, of course, as I just mentioned, the second largest company in the world. It doesn't get much more large cap than this. So Microsoft at this moment in time offers a fantastic buying opportunity. You could trade up towards a 50-day EMA, which represents an 8.75% gain from current levels. But if you did trade it back towards those all-time highs, you've got pretty much a 17%. If I take you up to that wick that we had, it offers you an 18.44% gain from current levels. So is the market going to be volatile over the next couple of days? Sure, of course it is. But I'm thinking more medium to longer term. Where are these stocks going to be trading in 3 to 6 months' time? Or even further, maybe even 9 to 12 months' time. And I think that these stocks at these current levels offer a fantastic buying opportunity, and we may not see this much value in all three of these stocks going forward, going into the end of 2022. So I thought I'll just come onto YouTube today, just share with you 3 stocks that I'm currently looking at. I have actually gone over to my signal team and sent out buy signals for all 3 of these positions. All 3 of these stocks, sorry. So when the US market opens, I will be buying Nvidia, buying AMD, buying Microsoft. And as I mentioned at the start of today's video, if you would like to know where my take profit stop losses are, then please head over to my streaming service. Use that discount code of 16,000 to get a 25% discount over on the streaming service, which only makes it $299 for a year's subscription. So a very, very cheap price. And we hope to see you over there. But I just want to take this opportunity to say a massive thank you to all 16,000 of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel and have supported me over the last couple of years. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.
Thank you.